little bit of homing pigeon this morning. If I can catch him, just a good one. Not doing too good on the homing pigeons lately, finding a spot where I can see them. Unless they come towards the front, I always miss them. Not very many today, so we'll call it a wrap. Girl, I just fed her a peanut. She had her first peanut. She's getting very comfortable now. I hope I got her. Oh, I dropped it on her. Sorry, new girl. Here. I have to hold a little tighter. She's flapped it. Anyway, that's her second peanut, and she's getting better. New girl. You guys, if I quieted down a minute, you'd hear hawk is west of here, about a mile, I'd say. The sound of him, he's not even on the lake. So I'll keep an eye out for him. He'll be around. I wanted to show you what I did. I lowered the deck. Only about 6-8 inches for now. It's going to keep coming down until I can get it chair height. Once it's chair height, I can sit my chair there. I can ask those squirrels to come over and sit on my knee. That's my plan I came up with. The window thing in the back is working wonderful. I just keep missing them. I got Mama Squirrel sitting in on the little deck in there. I don't know if I put it out or... Yeah, I think I did. You guys get a chance to watch it. It's so cute. She climbs right in there. She's sitting there eating seeds and all that crap inside while I'm snoozing. It would have been so nice if I'd woke up and handed her a peanut, but I didn't because I'm a snoozer. Anyway, I'm going to pause. She'll be back because she came already once. 2 peanuts could be enough. You never know, though. Got to get a little crow on him. Want to get a little crow on. Where is he? He was here earlier. I didn't get him. It's a big guy. Another alarm clock. He'll wake you up every day, 7 o'clock. I don't see him. He's in there. One of his brothers. Hey, stop it, Ted. There's 3 of them. I heard him coming. Ted, stop. He thinks he can chase a bird. They're like 50 feet up in the air, and he's thinking he can catch one. Can't get him out of that. Those homing pigeons. That was a Sandhill Crane family. Just Daddy making all that noise. There they are. They're not grouped up at all. Anyway, just a few of them today. The woodpeckers are talking back and forth. You know what I mean? Come on, Gimbal. Why would I not get pissed at this thing? Dying for a shot today. You can go far. Did you see where he landed? Which pine, guys and gals? Which pine? There you go. Glasses on. Is that him? Right in the middle. It's him. Is there 2 in the tree or just one guy making all that racket? There goes the homing pigeons. More hummingbirds this season. Well, this is exciting. Not too, but... Come early. Oh, that's the other one. There's two together now. They were calling each other. I thought they were. There's a squirrel bailing. Looks like I'm getting out of here. Come on over here and get a peanut. Well, I think they'll be quiet now that they're together. I hope we got a little bit of direction. There goes one. There goes one. Where'd he go, guys? He's on that tree. Yeah, he's on that tree on the limb. He's on a little branch, almost right in the middle of the screen. At least he was when I had my glasses up. There goes something. See, guys and gals, I'm farsighted, so I can pick my glasses up and see over to the tree, but then I gotta put them on to see through the camera. Really a nuisance. I've seen those adjustable bifocals someday when I strike the lotto. Guys and gals, I think that's all the excitement we're gonna get out of those two. I'll pause if they make noise and come back to us. I'll bring you on board. Them damn homing pigeons getting by and made a bunch of racket just as I shut the phone off. I love watching homing pigeons go in circles. I guess I'm easily entertained. Where the hell did they go? Hey Ted, where are you? Kind of like the hawk, they won't let me go home because I'm always looking for me. Did you see that thing flying away? That was one of them. The other one's still in the tree. I'll try to get these kind of weaved in together so you're not out here for the full time that I am. Because it gets kind of boring for you all. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe some people like looking at a tree. I do. Especially if there's a bird in there and I want it. Anyway, every time I shut it off, make noise again. So that's what I'll do. First time I'm feeding a squirrel with a new deck down low. I kind of like this. I don't have to reach up. I'm thinking that she's okay with it so far. Hey, little one, who are you? Want a peanut? You don't have to go up the tree. We got to learn to come down here. Come on down here. Here you go, little one. Are you the new girl? Looks like the new girl. You going to come back? How about that nice look? Did you see that nice look she gave me? She's going to go all the way home. She's going to eat it up there. She's going to go all the way home. She lived in the back. They're all coming from the back, so I don't know who's who. They moved into the back when Mama moved into the back. When I got here in the spring, she had 4 little kits. The 2 juvenile males and the female, which I think is that one. And stubs, which I don't. The males gotta leave. That's the deal. They get old and leave. The females can hang around, so you never know. I think that's her female. I'm pretty sure. That's those 2 females. Anyway, and I think I've seen a female come from over there. So you never know. Anyway, we're out.